Oh, that's lovely. We're gonna watch fireworks.
Love you.
I love you too.
You guys are so cute together.
Oh, thanks. Hi, Megan.
Hi.
How are
We're
you?
recording. Oh, didn't we already have this?
Yeah.
It's recording. We're recording.
We did this like when we were going to
Homecoming.
Yeah. Hello, Jamie.
Things. I don't even know if I'm filming him.
Isn't he attractive?
He's beautiful.
Indeed.
I'm me.
Oh my. Hi, Steven. Hey, go hang out with Mommy and Daddy and Grandma and Becca and Ella.
They're not here yet.
Becky.
Did you pull my hair?
No.
And your boyfriend did.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he
Don't
did.
pull Megan's hair.
No, he didn't.
Don't pull Megan's hair.
It's not on camera. You can't prove
Don't
it.
pull Megan's hair.
Yeah, it is.
There's two cameras pointing at
Look.
me, and neither of them got it on
Look.
camera. Then she can't prove it.
Recording. Minutes. Seconds.
I know, but you didn't get me, cause I didn't do it.
I'm recording.
I am
Come on, hold on.
Steven Jordan. And
No,
I
it's not like in here. Duh. I feel dumb now. I can see you.
I can't.
I can see everything from here, but except my house.
That is the
Stop
face
that.
I've ever seen you make.
Oh yeah, it's the moon! It's the moon!
Where has my little dog gone?
Don't continue singing. Don't lick my camera.
Don't make me. Don't tell me what to do.
You have like a slobber on your
Yeah,
chin.
right
Okay, there you go. No!
Fine.
You're being gross.
She won't let me lick her camera.
I don't want you like mine either.
I'm not going to, but she wouldn't let me lick her camera.
Why?
Because you wouldn't let me lick that one.
I got shady cooties.
And I do too, it's okay.
Jamie,
Oh.
Jamie, I need to talk to you. Jamie, I need to talk to you.
You do?
Come on.
Oh.
No. What just happened? Your brother just stuck your voice down.
I know.
How did we not see that coming?
I don't know. That's naughty.
He's naughty.
It's naughty.
She told me to lick her camera.
Baby! You have your saliva all over my lens.
Oh
Oh my gosh!
He's being a creeper.
No, he isn't.
Yeah, he
Because
is.
I said OMG cholesterol.
Yeah.
That isn't creepy.
I know, are they starting already?
No, so they've been doing random.
Yeah, I know,
Random
but
testing.
Or
it
is it
is-
dark enough?
I guess not.
I say it's dark enough.
for
You're
us,
dark
so-
enough.
Indicating in black.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
It's
Beautiful.
It's
Camera set.
beautiful blackness. Hey, that's naughty. It's beautiful blackness. No, Steven, go to your mother. Go to your mother. Yes. I love you. You're my favorite Steven. Now go to your mother.
No.
That's the person who's been recording everything. And that was an earthquake that I just made by shaking the camera.
Woo! Having fun?
Very much so.
Sorry. Don't matter.
No.
Of course.
Jamie, let me lick sister's camera.
No, go to your mother.
No. I gave him hopes and
Give me a
dreams.
hug.
No, I gotta go first.
No.
I'll have to fight for the love of Haley.
Hey, give me.
Yeah, and I'd win.
Jamie kissing Liz.
No, I don't kiss boys. Save cooties. You're wrong.
Is that the truth?
You have pretty lips.
I don't kiss boys. Save cooties. Thank you. Give me a hug and go to your mommy. Yeah, I love you.
I want to play there.
No, I don't want you playing there.
You licked it 2 times and I like it.
Okay, go to your mother.
That's skill.
I love you, Steven.
Look, you can see Buzz right there. How are you gonna do that when the camera's not facing us? See?
Because that's weird.
Love ya.
I love you too.
Slobber all.
Get her!
Earthquake again. This is Megan Lynn.
No, that is her.
No, it's Megan Lynn.
No.
James Claude.
No.
Yeah. I don't think it's facing you. Yeah, there it is. You're like right there.
This is all Jamie.
No, don't look at my camera again.
Way over there.
But why?
The fireworks haven't started yet. No!
I can't zoom
Yep,
in.
I just did that.
Yeah, I know.
It's like slightly disappointing.
I'm sorry.
No, you're not.
You're right.
Yeah. Yeah. Called it.
You should have.
I did.
I missed them.
I'm going to like stop this video.
No.
That was really awkward.
That was cute.
That was really awkward. I love you.
Love birds. Love
You're being a stalker.
I know, it's adorable.
Yeah, it's okay. So we're gonna put these videos on the YouTube later, right?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna continue this at a later time.